Maddie. Where's your kitty? Where's the kitty? Can you get the kitty? Maddie, here. Can you tell Mommy what does the kitty say?
No.
Meow. Here's a monkey. What does the monkey say? What does the monkey say? Maddie, what does the monkey say? Yeah. What about Rudolph? You gonna pick them all up? Where are you gonna take them? Up on the chair? You need some help? Okay, there's Rudolph. Just the other ear. Do the other one. Other ear.
My name's Rudolph. Hi.
Do the other one. Other ear.
I'm cute.